Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna go back to the lecture we did last Thursday and kind of restart it, just in case you need to catch up. So I have a multiple parts of the lecture. So before I start a lecture, I want to make sure that you turn on Illustrator. So to turn on Illustrator, if you're on Macintosh, you wanna, if say like you don't see the screen here, you go to the magnify uh, the icon on the upper left corner, and you're gonna enter Illustrator, and just ILL. You see the list of the software appear on the left, and you can just click on it, and you will start the software. Okay, so when you're in it, uh, you're gonna click on Create New, and it will take you to the New Document window right here, and you want to immediately name your file. So it's going to be P5 and underscore Mona M underscore uh, color underscore wheel. Okay, and that's and then you go straight to width and height. Before you actually enter the measurement for width and height, you want to look at the option. You want to choose inches. It's very important that you have this selected inches. Um, and then under bleed, BLEED, you want to make sure all the dimension is locked together. This is not locked. This is locked. This is not locked. This is locked. And then for the top, you want to enter 0.125, 0.125, and just click the other boxes, and it will go all the way to 0.125. We don't have to do anything anymore. Just leave it as default. Now, I want to go over quickly what CMYK is. We're going to print these assignments out on the paper in the addition of having on the screen. So that's what CMYK. The resolution you want to print it out is best to do it with 300 ppi, and just leave everything like that and click create. When you click create, it will create a document for you. This document is not been saved. It's not saved yet on your computer. So you want to save it. So you want to go file, save, and you want to save it on your computer. Okay, and you always, for the class, you want to make sure where it's saved is on your document folder. Document folder, nowhere, just document folder. Click save, and then just click OK. Okay, if you already have the old document that you continue to work, then just don't click replace, because what it does, it will replace your old one to new one. You don't want to do that. You want to reopen. So if I have a new one, if I have the old one, I can reopen that. So I'm gonna go to, after I open Illustrator, I'm gonna go to File and open Recent, right? And you notice right here, there are a bunch of stuff that we did last week. You can look in P5. So we have P5 PDF. You never want to work PDF. We want P5 AI. See that? And you open that. So that's the old one. Okay. Assumingly, I'm gonna go with the people who haven't started yet. So you're gonna save. You're gonna go save, save as, or save, and you go back to save on computer, and you click save. Now, if you have a new, if pretending that you haven't started this assignment, so I'm gonna enter something here just to remind me what day. So after will, I'm gonna do one more thing just to remind me what day I'm doing this. 01 underscore 24. Okay, so I can have a different name, and I click save. And when I'm in Illustrator option, I want to do not have PDF. I do not want compression, and I just leave embedded ICC profiles. If you want to know what that is, just look up on the internet and click OK. Now, and then what we want to do is we want to get it ready before we can draw, you know, like get tool out and setting paper ready. So you have your paper, and if you notice, if you do it correctly, your paper should be in square shape, right? And there is this red border that you should have that have this distance. This is 0.125 inch, right? And let's turn on the toolbox. Do you have the right toolbox? You should have the right toolbox. So they have two toolboxes. One is advanced and one is basic. I want you to choose the advanced toolbox. So you go to window, double check. You got two bars. Make sure you select advanced. Okay. The next thing you want to turn on, is the ruler. It's right under view and rulers and show rulers. You want to turn that on. When you turn the ruler on, I'm gonna move the toolbox more inside of the window. You notice that in the upper left corner is the coordinates in inches. It starts with 0, 0, and it goes 6 inches to the right and 6 inches to the bottom. So you know it's right. If it doesn't look like that, then you need to close. Your window, and you can see why it's not. And you can make sure you select inches, okay, in the under preset window. The next thing we want to turn on is the grid. So we go to view and show grid. So we're going to show the grid. And we also want the wonderful smart guys on because we need it. We need them, right? Not just one, more than one. Now we're ready to draw. Before we draw, let's learn how to back it up. So we're gonna go 5 and save. So you don't do save as anymore, right? It's already saved. You see, it's not dark, which means it's been saved. So now you can back it up. So I'm gonna switch to the Chrome tab, and under Chrome I'm gonna go to the open window, this window, and I will go into my drive, and I will go into my class folder, my graphic design class folder right here. I have it set up, and here is my folder, and I'm gonna back it up. So I'm gonna go to new file upload, and here we go. This is me, brand new. And don't worry if it doesn't appear like what you see, because there's compression involved with Google Drive. So we're gonna back it up. So that's for today, okay? So you back it up today, and you can just and that's the first part of our lesson. Thank you.